A modern bunker is a fortified structure designed to protect its occupants from a variety of threats, both natural and man-made. They are typically built underground or in heavily reinforced structures, and are equipped with features such as air filtration systems, water purification systems, and backup power generators. Modern bunkers can range in size and complexity, from small, single-family shelters to large, multi-level facilities capable of housing hundreds of people. They can be built for a variety of purposes, including personal protection. Many people choose to build bunkers for personal protection from threats such as natural disasters, pandemics, or civil unrest. Military use. The military uses bunkers to protect troops and equipment from enemy attack. Government use. Governments often build bunkers to protect their leaders and critical infrastructure in the event of a disaster. Here are some of the key features of a modern bunker. Reinforced construction. The walls, roof, and floor of a bunker must be strong enough to withstand the forces of whatever threat it is designed to protect against. This may include concrete, steel, or other materials. Air filtration system. A bunker must have a way to filter out contaminated air from the outside. This is essential for protecting occupants from exposure to toxins, biological agents, or radiation. Water purification system. Bunkers also need a way to purify water for drinking and sanitation. This can be done using a variety of methods, such as reverse osmosis or ultraviolet disinfection. Backup power generator. In the event of a power outage, a bunker must have a backup power generator to keep essential systems running. Food and water storage. Bunkers should have enough food and water stored to sustain occupants for a period of time. The amount of food and water needed will vary depending on the size of the bunker and the expected duration of the threat. Waste disposal system. Bunkers need a way to dispose of waste safely and hygienically. The cost of building a modern bunker can vary depending on the size, complexity, and features of the facility. However, they can range in price from tens of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars. Thanks for listening. Please check description for a link to a detailed book on bunkers.